If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to fix cellular data not working on iOS 18 with apps. Some iPhone users have discovered that cellular data is not working on many apps like music, TikTok and Instagram after they have updated to iOS 18. To fix this, here is what to do. First, go to Settings on the iPhone. Next, go to Cellular. Now, make sure that cellular data is toggled on here. Next, tap on Cellular Data Options and make sure cellular roaming is turned on. Now, back at the primary cellular screen, scroll down to see cellular data configurations for individual apps, and make sure these are toggled on for all apps you wish to be able to use with cellular data. Also, please note that if the above doesn't solve the problem, try to force reboot your iPhone. It's that simple. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.